Order filled. Order filled. Oh damn! Sorry guys. I've my mic was mute. Yeah, my mic was mute all along. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Let's see what we got today. That's what I said. Okay. May the Lord help us today. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, the mic was muted all along. Okay. Okay. Let's go then. Looks like we're bouncing back into this H1 FVG. Yeah, I have a feeling DXY has to like move higher. I have a feeling DXY is supposed to, move and target these highs, this one here and that one there. So that's if it doesn't come back into this fair value gap and inverse it, of course. But what I'm looking at is for you to keep going higher. It failed to break above this high, so you might try again. If it does, then we are going up like that. That's what I'm looking at. So technically, if DXY is doing that, then we are going higher on. We're going lower. Sorry, we're going lower on NQ and ES. So usually when price does this and I am I'm looking to sell, yeah. If price does this and I'm looking to sell, this has got too much volume, bro. Yeah, so if price is looking like this, right, and I'm looking to go short, what I'm looking for is for price to come back, like come back here, yeah, somewhere in this area, right, and then create a fair value gap on its way up, and then when that fair value gap gets inversed, that's when I'll be taking. Hey, stop. That's when I'll be taking my short positions. So this one's been taken, and now we're looking at this one. This is our next one. Interesting. So yeah, so this one has been taken as well on ES. My screen looks weird. Why does it look so dark? Let's come here, apply to all, and then yeah, this makes sense. This makes sense. So already we're going for that one. And mind you, we are in like an H1 FVG, right? So we kind of want to see how price reacts to that. If it breaks it and then it comes back up, it comes back and then comes back into this range and then shows us some resistance to keep going down, then yeah, we're good to go. Oh, plus another thing, I got a new chair, yeah. And this chair doesn't have wheels. It doesn't have wheels. It has like a solid base that is it's sitting on the floor like that. So I can't just roll away and go get what I want to get. I have to like push this tray back inside and then. Okay. So for my Wi-Fi speed, I got myself some. I got a 20 meters cable. So I got like a 20 meters cable. Where's the? There it is. So I got like a 20 meters cable, 20-meter cable, and so a 20-meter cable, and then a USB-C to LAN connector. Yeah, that it connects to the Wi-Fi, and then USB, and then you have like this USB-C as well. So that's what we're looking at. So now the 5 minute has left like equal lows, yeah. So we've got equal lows here, right? With equal lows on the 5 minute. And what about ES? Yeah, ES is almost closed as well. Now they're gonna be taken. You don't have to trade the said stuff, Said stuff. Said stuff. Ooh, nice. Nice. 20 meters. I'm coming back. You just watch what price that. Oh, we're still consolidating. Nothing much really to trade there. I'm trying to connect my wired Wi-Fi. Bro, 20 meters is a lot. 20 meters is a lot. I thought 20 meters was not gonna get into my room. Well, that's just too much. I should have measured it. Alright, the Igualos are gone. It's connected. It's connected. Are we still using Wi-Fi? Are we still using a wireless connection? Ooh. So you know what? You know what this means? This means we've got faster Wi-Fi now. Woo! Looks like I don't even have a trade, guys. Okay, now I have to do it again. Still no trade, folks. It's going down, but this is not my like continuation model. It might work, but it's not my cup of tea. It's not my, it's not my go-to trade. Okay, I'm back. I'm done setting up my Wi-Fi, my wired Wi-Fi. It's no longer wireless. No, do it the old way, old-fashioned way. Okay. With this one, with this setup, I'm never gonna have a problem. Never ever gonna have a problem. Someone just called me and said, this is the national. This is a call from national, whatever. It's a call to tell you that your national insurance number has been compromised. Bro, like, how does a national insurance number get compromised? These scammers, schemers. What's this? Oh, it's the headphones. Okay. I don't need headphones. I don't need headphones. Alright, folks. Okay, this is what we're looking at. With a really nice dump. Yeah, so if we do that and we broke structure like that, yeah. My keyboard is not working. Why is everything just dying? Okay, we broke structure like that, and we broke structure on ES as well. There's nothing really that I would like to target on the M15. Maybe on the M30, this could be a fair value gap. Yeah, we've got one here and a tiny one here, and we've just got into another one here. So yeah, what I'm looking at now is, let me just have a look at what DXY is doing. Oh, DXY is almost there. I was thinking we're gonna go down all the way down, maybe to get to this Asian low, yeah, while DXY is going higher. But it looks like DXY is about to take the highs. Like, it has taken this one, and that one, and maybe it has been taken already because this data is delayed. It's like delayed with like 9 minutes, no, 10 minutes. Sorry, yeah, it's delayed with 10 minutes. So probably it's already there. So I'm not gonna pay for DXY data. No, it's not happening. Alright, so if DXY takes that and then starts retracing, that's when we are gonna get something of that sort. But if it takes it and it continues going, yeah, we will be heading for those Asian lows today. But I'm not really a big fan of New York session if this happens during the Asia and London, like this expansion. We expand like that, and then New York usually is just some choppy stuff. For my Zimbabwean folks, I've got some Lobel's biscuits here. They're amazing. They are amazing, folks. Really amazing. And I've got some stone ginger beer. Interesting. And I've got my Zoe. Interesting stuff. And I've got some things. Yeah, they're called things. They're just things. They're just things. Ah, I've got Sparlet as well. Okay, and Simba. Interesting stuff. What else? Ah, just another stony ginger beer. Okay. Kaboom. Alright. JXY is about to take those guys. So this is just a retracement. Because JXY has to like take those eyes. Oh, we have a law here. We have a law here. Sorry guys, you're not seeing the same screen. Okay, let me use this one. So I said we have a law here. This one. Is it the same as this one? No, it's not actually. It's this one. No, it's not. It's this one. Okay. It's this one. Alright, so this is what we are looking at, yeah. Price does this, yeah. Gets into the whatever break structure on the M15, and then now we're looking at these M5 FVGs, yeah. We're looking at these M5 favor gaps. For example, this one again. M5, bro. Okay. Alright, so M5 and then ES, NQ. We haven't got anything on the M5. Oh, we do have a favored gap on the ES. On ES, we don't have anything on. So what's that mean? What's the meaning of that? There is nothing actually. We might have we have this one on the M15. This one, it doesn't look like it's gonna do anything to be fair. Did you have a favor gap on the way up? No. So like this, we were looking for like a favor gap on the way up, but we didn't create one. So yes, we took buy side here. We took buy side here, but we didn't have a fair value gap here. We probably have it on the like the smaller time frames, but like 30-second. But I'm not keen. Nah, we don't. So yeah, we have this tiny one. Yes, we have the displacement, but it's not as clean as I want it to be.
It's not the cleanest setup, to be fair. It's not the cleanest setup. I don't want it to be like that. I want it to be more cleaner, so that it makes more sense. More clean setups, making more sense. I'm not checking any random trades this time because I gambled the other time, so I'm trying to revive this account because it's like it has only $484 left for it to blow. Alright. But ES is actually reacting from a 5-minute FVG. ES is actually reacting from a 5-minute FVG, right? Like here, ES is reacting from that. So I don't know. Yeah, we might go down, but it's not the cleanest thing. It's not the cleanest setup for me. It's not really my cup of tea. Cup of tea. That's what the Brits say, yeah? Cup of tea. What did I want? See that? Crazy stuff. And this is the 1 minute. Why is it rejecting? What's happening to DXY? DXY is delayed. So going to the smaller time frames is not a good idea, because you won't even see the moves. I'm not paying for DXY. You know what? If I log into my TraderVate accounts, I think DXY might be, free. Might have live DXY data. Nah. Still have to pay for DXY. All right, F it. Let's just use what we have. Doesn't really matter. We know that DXY is buying, is going for the highs. So yeah. Okay. Reaction from this one. Interesting. Interesting. I'm looking at that. I saw it's got two eyes. I'm looking at that. Looking. But we don't have anything on NQ. NQ, why are you forsaking me? That's that. What have I? Ooh, why am I putting my drink on the table? I forgot that I've got a new chair now with two cup holders. Now this chair is gonna make me profitable. Ooh, nice. But am I still in the camera frame though? Let me have a look. Where's my OBS? Oh, no. Yeah, I'm still in there. Alright. What are we doing? See? That fair value that I was eyeing. It didn't close above it. I was eyeing that fair value. No, create an F. Damn. Just create an FVG, okay, on the 1 minute here. Go up, take this high, and then don't take it on ES. Or just create a fair value gap here. Then take this high on the M5 on ES, and then don't take it here. So that we have an SMT. Damn it. Once we do that, we come back and invest that fair value gap that we create. And then we go short, bro. We target these lows. We break even once it closes below here. No, below here. You break even. And then TP here, or here, or here, or tomorrow. Damn. Oh. Bro, ndugu fada ya bro. I'm live, bro. Ndugu fada ya bro. Live ndio one fam. We don't even have anything interesting here. Are we gonna get a trade? Are we gonna get a trade, guys? I don't think so. No. I don't think so. expecting this thing.
it's not looking great now. I'm thinking, so if that's the 30-minute, well, if it wants to leave it open, then we might just use the 5-minute. But we don't have to leave it open, to be fair. For me to take a trade, either one of these two has to take it. Either one of these two. Either ES or NQ. One of them has to take it, and then NQ has to leave a fair value gap. Even if it takes this or not, it has to leave a fair value gap somewhere along this place. Okay. Now it's reacting to this fair value gap. Nah, that's not what I'm looking at. I don't want to look at that because we haven't got anything that makes sense on ES. Yeah, this is what we want. We want fair value gaps to be created along the way, like bullish fair value gaps. For example, this one, but it's too tiny and nothing happened after it was created. It just created this fair value gap and then went into this fair value gap and created off of it. And yeah, because what I want to see is like the opposite of this. Like this fair value gap here gets created, right? Like this fair value gap here gets created, right? And then I look at that. Don't forget to look at it. I look at that. After I look at it, and then it takes some liquidity like that. After taking some liquidity, we have to see displacement like this candle, but it has to close below, or the next one has to close below this, not above. Sorry, above this fair value gap that we are eyeing, and then it becomes an inverse fair value gap. Then we take our buys, this being our break even, and this being our TP. Beautiful. So, but I want it to happen on the other side because I'm looking to take shots. All right. So now that we have taken this sell side, now we might be going higher, right? Why is that keyboard not working? So yeah, we might have an SMT because this low has been taken. This low has been taken here, but it hasn't been taken there. So we might have an SMT, and then with that SMT, we dive back into that 30-minute FVG that we're looking at, which is just above that high. So I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Why is the face looking like that? Why is the face looking like that? Ugly ass face, bro. Alright, now so the SMT that we had here with this law and that law here is about to be, effed up. So that 30 minutes FVG that is above here might not be taken, but let's see how it goes, because right now we're getting into like an hourly favored gap. Well, we just got into it, we're going above it, below it, sorry. Are we gonna get a trade, guys? Do you think we're gonna get a trade? This is sad stuff. Ooh, I don't know if we're gonna trade it. Might not. But the rule of thumb is we come here to watch price. We don't come here to trade. We come here to watch. We just want to see what price is doing. We are not interested in taking any trades. But, and only but, if we get a chance to execute, well, we might just take one or two, Otherwise, that's not the real reason why we're here, okay? We've got another one on the 2 minute. What about ES? So the SMT is still there. We've got this liquidity here on this high, this high. It's like, what do they call it? Trend line, yeah? Yeah, they call it trend line liquidity, exactly. So I've got the trend line liquidity there, okay? So now the 2 minute inverses and the 1 minute. Alright, let me put up the 2 minute here on there. So we have SMT and we probably have the 2 minute now, which closes in a minute, and then the 1 minute is about to inverse. But it's going way too far. We don't want that. Oh yeah, we're not gonna trade. I'm not gonna take it because it went too far, unless we come somewhere close to that, just like that. Then we can probably buy here.
Order filled.
Put our stop somewhere down here. Yeah. We are taking this high. Nah, that's not a good trade. But let's just leave it, since we have an SMT. Since we have an SMT, let's just let it run. Okay. That's what trade there. Let's see how it goes.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's really what we want, especially if we have like an account that we're trying to raise like that. We're taking those small pieces. We take that small piece, we take that small piece, we take that small piece until we get there. That's like $250 is a lot at this point. If the account wasn't down, or if the account wasn't close to blowing, I would have held it till it hits this high, okay? But because of the situation that we are in, we are taking those small consistent profits till we get there. Because now imagine it has closed above here, right? It has closed above here, right? It has closed above here, right? And what do we do once price
closes above a swing high, we move our stop to break even. So this would have been a break even trade. Ah, sorry guys. Ah, my days. I forgot to put up the. Okay, let me show executions. Okay. Oh my days. Chats and data. Show chat executions. Save. What am I doing? Forgetting that I'm on a live stream. Okay, so this was the trade. I took a trade. So now we're at this fair value gap here, right? Uh, here. Okay, we're at this fair value gap that was created. We took out this low, and then there's a low on the far end there, right? We took that as well. And then what did we do after that? We displaced, right? And then when we came back into that fair value gap, 1 minute fair value gap, I took my buy and then got out somewhere up here when it took these highs. I got out somewhere up here when these highs were taken, and there's a fair value gap here, obviously, right? So that's where I got out, right? Got out there on that candle. And what I was saying is I'm taking small consistent profits because that's like $250. If I didn't take it here, it would have been a loss. It would have been a break-even trade. Sorry, because if it closes above this high, what do we do once we close above that high? We move our stops to break-even, right? So now I would have moved my stop to break-even, and I would have been stopped at break-even. So I would have seen $200 go up and then come back to stop me at break-even, all because I want to target these highs. That shouldn't be happening, especially when you have an account that is about to blow. That's what I was saying. This account, see, I'm trying to bring these accounts back. What happened to the combine? Oh, the combine is left with $8 to pass. Okay, so yeah, that's okay. Uh, yeah. So that's basically the thing. So that's another account that we're adding now. On top of these 3 accounts, we're adding another combine, which is left with like $8 to pass. So yeah, that's it, guys. Okay. So this one is 600. This one is 963. This one is 813. Yeah, this one is 678. We're not supposed to blow this account because we'll be risking $120. Okay, how much did we make on that trade? We made 196, so nearly to $200. Yeah, we made 196. Yeah. That's great. 196 by 67 today. That's okay. So yeah. That's basically it, guys. I think I'm done for the day. I think I'm done for the day. Yeah. Yeah, honestly, I think I'm done for the day. That's the trade I was looking for. That's the trade I took. Here, that was the trade I was looking for. All this time that we waited since price was coming back from down there, this is the setup that I was looking for. Taking these lows, and then that, and then taking my buy order here and putting my stop here, and then got out somewhere there. That's the trade I was looking for. So that's it, guys. I'll catch up with you tomorrow on another live stream.
It will be slower than a newer session, so you have to just be more patient. But if you like trading in London, or if it's the only session you can trade, then fair enough. I mean, it's risk-off market conditions for me. Just no lungs right now. The price action's been very good this month, bro. The price action's been very good this month.
yes, we've owned massive fair value gap. Yes, we're respecting this bullish fair value gap here, but just look at the overall price action. We're stuck in this range. It's a risk-off day.